Hello dear viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we talk about how you can improve your yields in terms of quality and quantity of your peppers, be it sweet pepper or hot pepper. So let's dive right in and stick until the end. We've got some exciting things to discuss here. Welcome. The first approach that you can use to improve your yields on your peppers, be it the sweet pepper or the hot pepper, is through pruning. And here we'll talk about the two categories possible that can improve your yields. The first one is removal of old leaves. This is usually the leaves on the underside of your plant that have become yellow and malnourished. They are prone to diseases, so removing them is in fact a way of creating a shield against the spread of diseases, because these old leaves are very susceptible to diseases and also pest attacks. The second way to prune your peppers is through topping. Topping is removal of the top part of the plant. This will encourage the production of lateral shoots. This in turn replicates into a larger surface area for production of more fruits. The second way to improve the productivity of your peppers is through staking. Staking, you can stake with mesh or using a stick, preferably bamboo stick or metal. It's just an insurance for your plants in case of winds or storms. There won't be breakage, there won't be wastages, and also your plant won't touch the ground, because if it does so, the probability of getting pests and diseases is very high. The third reason on how you can improve the productivity of a peppers is through nutrition. And here we are talking about feeding your crop. This is by top dressing, where you top dress with the nitrogenous fertilizer before the reproductive phase. This is to increase the number of leaves that will be produced. This means that there is a larger surface area for photosynthesis, that this will replicate into more production and production of bigger fruits. The fourth way is through watering. Peppers are 90% water, and therefore you need to provide water more often so that the production can be boosted. You can check if you need to water your plants by dipping your finger into the soil. If it feels wet, you'll wait longer, but if it feels dry, you water immediately. The fifth means is through shading, and here we are talking about providing shade, because these fruits, you can have more fruits, but they can be destroyed by the sun. Here we are talking about sunburn. So you can plant beneath crops that can provide shade, like sunflowers, fruit trees. You can also use shade nets, and also you can grow them inside a greenhouse. So with these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to improving the productivity of your sweet peppers and bell peppers in terms of quality, in terms of quantity, and this will come in handy in improving your income or improving your food basket if you are producing for subsistence or commercial purposes. Up to there, we've come to the end of our video today, but I encourage you to like, subscribe and share. It will go a long way in giving us the energy to keep on producing content like this. Until there, I'll see you on the next one.